In this video, you will create filters and use filter views to better understand the data in your sheet. Filters temporarily hide data in a spreadsheet so you see only a selection of specific rows or values. Filters are useful when working with specific entries, such as if you only want to see sales by a specific person or a specific t-shirt design that was sold. To begin, duplicate the sheet of your formatted data. You may want to reference the original version again later. Rename the copied sheet. Then create a filter in your header row so you can filter any column in your sheet. For example, you might want to filter for the salesperson to see the number of sales they made and which items they sold. Choose a column to filter, then clear the values. Select the value you want to see. The rest of the values will stay hidden. You can select multiple values in a filter too. Open the filter again to see all the values. Next, sort your sheet alphabetically or by other conditions for text, numbers, or dates. For example, you may be looking for an entry that contains a particular letter or a sale ID greater than a certain number. Or you may want to filter out transactions where only one shirt was ordered. View all your data again by removing the filter conditions. You can filter multiple columns at one time. For example, design and style. Or turn off the filters for the entire sheet. Turn them back on again at any time. But for now, leave your filter off. Next, you'll be using filter views, and you can only use one type of filter at a time. While a filter is visible to anyone who uses the sheet, a filter view is only visible when it's selected, so it's entirely optional. Filter views are useful when many people are using the same spreadsheet and need to filter for or see different information. For example, a salesperson may want to see all the transactions attributed to them, while a supply manager may want to see the most popular styles of shirts. To create a filter view, highlight the header row again, create a filter view, and then name it. Set the condition of your filter view the same way you did with your filter. When you're finished with that particular filter view, close it. Add at least 2 filter views to your sheet. You may want to add a filter to see sales of a certain product, using a certain payment type, or from a certain range of dates. Return to your name filter views at any time. Now, it's your turn. Duplicate your sheet and rename it. Add a filter, sort by values in your sheet, remove the filter, and add at least 2 filter views to your sheet.